yeah, my event just got canceled. That's what was going through my mind 4 days ago. My in-person mastermind, 50 high-level entrepreneurs all coming together in Puerto Rico. People like John Lee Dumas, Pat Flynn, Lewis Howes, Jeff Walker, Stu McLaren, Todd Herman, Selena Sue, all coming together, and then my event got canceled. What am I gonna do? That's when I decided to make it a virtual mastermind. In 3 days, I created a virtual mastermind workshop where I brought in virtual DJs, I brought in a virtual poet, I brought in meditation experts, I brought in a virtual experience where we actually had a pina colada making class in the history of pina coladas because it was invented in Puerto Rico, all done virtual. I brought in adversity experts, I brought in speakers not to teach and to lecture, but to actually tell stories. We had breakout sessions, we had people live Q&As, all of that done virtual. I had 40 out of 50 of my attendees show up live, and they weren't upset. They actually felt like they got a bonus, an additional opportunity to mastermind and gain value. Crowdsourcing knowledge, inspiration, and innovation, which is what we called it. We called this coconuts and comebacks. That was our theme, and that's why there's this paradise, tropical paradise looking theme. We transformed our living room into this. And I want to show you how you could add a virtual component to your business, brand, or in-person event. First, what are the differences? Is it a virtual workshop? Is it a virtual mastermind? Is it a virtual summit? A one-day summit or a multi-day summit? Let's cover that. Let's look at which one's best for you. Let's show you a behind the scenes of our actual events, and let's get you started with your own virtual event. Now is the time, so opt in here and I'll send you all the information 100% free, and let's get started adding a virtual component to your business.